Hey all, welcome back to my channel Servicenow Training and Placement. In today's video, we are going to create a new use case where we will be creating a button called download attachment. So on click on this button, it will download the attached document. Whatever document it attached to our record, that will be get downloaded. So let's get back to our incident table. I have opened a new incident form. Okay, I just gave some details. Let's save this report. Until now, there is no button available. If I attached anything here, any document here, you will see the button appear called download attachment. If I click on this button, it is giving me a pop-up called, do you want to download the file? Clicking on yes, you will see here this invoice documents gets downloaded. So how we can configure this? So let's create this UI action. I am going on this incident table. To create the UI action on this table, you just need to right click, configure and go to UI action. Just give the name download attachment. Now that pop-up appearing is a client-side action, that is a confirmed dialog. So we need to use both server side and client side functionality here. So that's why I'm going to give an action name. Let's say download underscore attachment. Now we need to give client side code as well for that alert dialog box. And I'm writing here the function name is confirm download. Okay. Now the conditions. This download button will be activated only when there is some attached document available. So how we can configure this condition? I just need to write current dot has attachments. Okay. Giving the form button. I am giving primary style. Let's save this record. First, we need to understand like whenever we attach any document to any record, where that attachment go. Okay, because we need to fetch that attachment and how we can download that attachment. So some of you have must known that any document we attach to any record going in this sys attachment table. Okay, like the invoice I have uploaded is saved as in this record. Okay, so how we can download this attachment? If you right click on any record and click on this copy URL to clipboard and open this URL, the records get downloaded. The attachment record gets downloaded. Okay. So if you click from here, you will see here the record gets downloaded. So we need not to do anything. We just need to fetch our record, like which record we are currently working on by gliding the table. And thereafter, we need to click on that URL. Now, how we can find that record? So you will see the incident we have created. Suppose this incident, if you copy the sys ID and paste it here, you will see any attachment of any record will be the sys ID of that record will be saved here in this table sys ID. Now, we just need to query this table and find our record and click on that URL. So that is the agenda to download anything in service, any, I'll say any document or any record. Now, so the now I am starting our scripting part. First, what I need to do, first I need to open that confirm dialog box. So this is our on click function. Let's say function. Under this function, I am writing where download, let's say down equals to confirm box. Under the confirm box, I'll write, do you want to download the file? If we get yes, by clicking on you, okay, will give you true. If down equals to. Now, at this point in time, I need to click on this server side function. Okay, so to execute both client and server in this one script section, we need to write some particular syntax. Let's talk about that syntax. Here, we write GSFT submit, and these are the three parameters of the GSFT submit. Like we need to pass null, then G underscore form get form element, and which form element we need to get is this UI action name. Okay, so I'll write this. If down equals to true, I will write GSFT submit, and I'll pass null. Get form element, and which form element? This action name. Okay. While writing this, we will be calling the server side things within our client side function. Okay. Now, sometimes we have seen that some browser errors while executing client and server side code in one package. To avoid that, we write a piece of code. It is very popular in context of UI action. This is if type of window equals to undefined. Then I'll be calling our server side function. I'll give that server side function. Now, let's understand what is this. It is saying type of window equals to undefined. Okay. What is this type of? Let me open background descriptor. If I write where name equals to service now, okay, and I'm just simply printing js.print type of name. You will see here it is giving the type of name, like this is the service now, so it is giving the type of is string. If I talk about the type of the window consists of every element, like it will contain some string, some array, object, or all kind of parameters which are available. Okay, so the type of window will be undefined every time. Okay, so that's why I just need to call this server side function after the execution of this client side. That's why I'm writing this. So code will execute till line number 7, and then this will be true every time. Thereafter, I will call this server side function. Hope this clear your doubts. Now we just need to write this server side function. Function, as I explained, what I need to do now, we just need to find our record. So I am gliding attachment table now. This attachment. And query gr attach dot query the tables ID will be similar to the current dot society. I'll query this. We get this record. What I need to do here, we just need to click on the URL. Let's find URL. Says attach test. Copy any URL. Okay. So here sys ID is this because I have selected a particular record. To make it dynamic, what I'll do, I'll copy the sys ID of this record. Gr attach or sys ID. Now we need to redirect to this URL. To redirect in UI action, we have some particular syntax like action dot set redirect URL. And which URL? This we have defined. Now our UI action is ready. We can test it out. Similar. Go into this incident table. Because this record has an attachment, this download attachment button is visible. If I click on this, this is the pop-up. and our attachment got loaded. We can access. Now, all of you may got one question. If we have multiple attachment available here, so those can also be downloaded, but that for that you need to first zip them, then you can download. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. If you really like this video, please drop some positive comment. This will help me to create such lovely videos for you. Thank you so much for watching.